In some areas, the dead have virtually no right. So for example, you have practically no rights to control your body and no rights to control your reputation after death. However, when it comes to property, Americans have greater ability to control their property than pretty much anybody else in the world. And these rights have been expanding traditionally and throughout this country's history. People could control property for individuals only for a set time period. And that time period was about 90 years. It was set to cover the time of the people living at that generation plus the term of minority of the next generation. It was governed by a rule called the rule against perpetuities that operated in a rather Delphic manner. It said that property could be controlled for lives in being plus 21 years. But that was designed to get at this notion that you can control property for a set period of time and then future generations should be able to control the property that they inherit. What's happened in recent years, however, is that really motivated by an opportunity for tax avoidance, there has been pressures to expand the time of these trusts to last longer and longer. Some states have said, well, come to our state, you can last for 360 years. Other states have said, no, come to our state. You can set up a trust that lasts for 1,000 years. But 14 states have gone even further than that and say, no, no, you come to us, you're not going to be limited by the rule against perpetuities or 360 years or even 1,000 years. You set your trust up with us and it can last forever. These trusts are very powerful mechanisms. They're created to keep the money in the trust for the benefit of the beneficiaries so it doesn't get dissipated. And also, they are created to be creditor-proof. When somebody sets up one of these trusts, they are able to set them up in such a way that says creditors can't reach it. What it means is that future beneficiaries of these trusts are going to be in their own class division, unlike any we've ever seen in our country's history. They're going to be recipients of tax-free, creditor-proof wealth. So if, for example, they go out and kill somebody, get drunk and kill someone, the victims won't be able to reach this money. We all think we know best for future generations and for, and in truth, we don't know what the future world is going to bring.